easy to manifest 100k subscribers to work for you too. You cannot create a vision board putting aesthetic picture vision come true. Hello and welcome to your YouTube channel. I'm Smriti and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my vision board that actually works. So today I'm going to make my vision board with you guys so that you can make a one for yourself and that will work for you too. So the purpose of making this video is very clear. I want to show you how I make my vision board and how you can make your vision board and make your vision come true. For creating vision board, one common question comes into our mind is what is vision board? So I don't know what is vision board, but for me, vision board is not something putting aesthetic picture to decorate a wall or a piece of a paper. But for me, if I'm making a vision board, then it should mean something to me and it should work and it should help me to move towards my goals. So from my personal experience of creating vision board, what I have learned is you cannot create a vision board without having a proper plan in your mind. You cannot create a vision board without writing down all the points, all the goals that you want to add in your vision board. So, from my personal experience, I had divided this video into three major parts. First is preparation, second is collection, and third is creation. First one, preparation. So before jumping in the process of directly making a vision board, what I will do, I will take a piece of paper and I will write it down all the goals that I want to have in my vision board in 2026. So it will help me and it will make my vision board clean and easy to manifest and make all the dreams come true. One thing is very clear in my mind that I will keep my goals very specific, minimum, and easy to do. Like for me, I want a toned body figure. So to gain a certain body type is not something that you can gain overnight. For that, you have to work daily. So instead of putting a picture of a girl with a slim figure or toned figure, what I will do, I will put a picture of a girl doing yoga or maybe doing push-ups or eating healthy foods fruits. I will put that picture to my vision board. It gives my brain a signal that I have to work daily in order to achieve a big goal, in order to achieve a realistic goals. So what are realistic goals, what are big goals and what are daily goals? So realistic goals वो सारे goals हो गए जो आप एक साल के अंदर अचीव कर सकते हो. Like you can achieve a certain body type within a year, but you can't achieve it until and unless आप उसके लिए कोई डेली रूटीन नहीं बनाते हो. सो इफ यू वांट टू अचीव अ रियलिस्टिक गोल विद इन अ ईयर देन यू हैव टू प्लान अ डेली गोल फॉर इट. सो ये तो हो गए रियलिस्टिक गोल, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो एड वन और टू अनरियलिस्टिक गोल टू योर विजन बोर्ड. लाइक फॉर मी, आई एम अ वीडियो क्रिएटर and I want to gain 100k subscribers on my YouTube channel. But I don't even have 1k subscribers on my YouTube channel. So for me to gain 100k subscribers within a year, it's not impossible, but it is difficult. So it comes under the category of unrealistic goals जो आपके साथ हो सकते हैं बट आप इसके लिए कोई डेली गोल सेट नहीं कर सकते हो. लाइक आप 1000 के सब्सक्राइबर्स गेन करने के लिए आपको डेली गोल्स नहीं बना सकते. ये एक अनरियलिस्टिक गोल है जो आपकी लाइफ में हो भी सकती है और नहीं भी हो सकती. सो व्हाट्स द पर्पस ऑफ एडिंग अनरियलिस्टिक गोल्स टू योर विजन बोर्ड is to give universe the signal that you are ready to gain that opportunity. You're ready. If universe gives you the opportunity, then you're ready to have it. So this is the preparation that you need before making your vision board. So now comes second part, which is collection. So for this step, what I will do, I will simply go to Pinterest and I will search my visual similar to my goals. Like if I want to travel to Puri, then I will search images related to Puri travel, Puri temple, Puri beaches, and I will save it into my phone. Similarly, I will save all those pictures that I want to add in my vision board. And now comes the last part, creation. For this step, we don't need any canvas board, we don't need any laptop, we don't need any Canva app. I'm going to create a digital vision board for my phone wallpaper. Simply open my Instagram, swipe left to the story interface, and I will select the layout option and I will add all four pictures that I want to add in one frame. Similarly, I will create more three layouts. Now comes the last part where I'm going to merge all the four layouts together. And I also like to add some cutouts to my vision board to make it look more personal. So that's it, your vision board is ready and you can make it as your wallpaper. And if you want, you can print it out and paste it on a piece of a paper or in your wall. Whatever you want, you can do it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the process of making vision board. And if you like the video, then hit the like button, share with your friends and family. And if you have any ideas for me to create a new video, then do let me know in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any update. Whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And until next time, bye.